This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the chat and locating the mic icon next to the text box. This is the record control. Tap and hold to begin capturing audio because holding prevents accidental sends. Make sure your microphone permission is granted in settings so WhatsApp can record. Once done, speak clearly toward the microphone and keep the phone steady to reduce wind and handling noise. If you need hands-free, glance at the next step to lock recording without holding. Once you tap and hold, slide up to lock the recording so you can place the phone down and continue speaking hands-free. This lets you paste longer messages. Monitor the waveform visually to confirm input levels, and make sure you're about 15 to 30 cm from the microphone to avoid clipping or sounding distant. If background noise is an issue, use wired earphones with a built-in mic to isolate your voice. When finished, tap Send to deliver the file immediately. To finish, simply release the mic if not locked and preview, then tap Send. This confirms the message went out. Alternatively, swipe left while recording to cancel before sending if you change your mind. If recipients report no sound or you hear nothing on playback, make sure WhatsApp has microphone permission, restart the app, and check for updates. Often a quick reboot or granting permission resolves it. If problems persist, switch to earphones or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.